That boy's thick.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Just add your favorite seasoning to this thing. Remember to hit all sides.
While we let this rest, let's fire up the Oklahoma Joe's Tahoma 900.
We're shooting for 225, that's the magic number here. Toss that bad boy on and let him eat up that smoke. At 120, let's pull this off and kick this Tahoma up to 600 degrees. We're gonna sear this for 90 seconds to then turn. We're gonna do the same process on the other side. Go longer if you like. This 3.5 pound Porterhouse is a hoss. I'm not slicing for perfection here. I'm slicing hungry. There's a difference, folks. Man, oh man, that looks good enough for me. Let's try us a little sample in this goat cheese sauce. You can't go wrong with that, folks. Let me tell you what.